Today we're going to assemble Mom and Dad's new Blackstone Pro Series 22-inch griddle with hood and cart. Mom and Dad have been watching some of our Blackstone videos, and believe it or not, they've been paying attention to some of it, which is kind of shocking. I didn't know my parents paid that much attention to me. This Blackstone was a QVC Today Special Value that they had a couple weeks ago. My mom and dad went ahead and got one. We got one also. It was a good deal, and they had different colors of Blackstones, which we have not seen before. They chose and we also chose, so we got the exact same Blackstone now, the gunmetal color, and I love it. One thing that Dad's known, well, a couple of things. He's known for his BLTs. That's what we're going to have tonight. Now, he's not doing it tomorrow morning. I wish he was, but he'll do it here pretty soon. He's known for his good pancakes. So we're going to get this box open. So we got the Blackstone together for Mom and Dad, and one of the best things about this model is that, yes, you have a spot underneath it for the propane tank. Just sits right down in there. You can tighten up the wing nut so it won't slide. Now we're going to get it seasoned in and cook our bacon. First thing we're going to do is do 2 or 3 seasoning with the Blackstone seasoning. And then after that, we're going to put our bacon on, have some BLT. We're going to do final thoughts on the Blackstone. So what do you think, Amber? Final thoughts. While I eat my wonderful BLT that Dad made.
Oh, love the design of it. Looks really nice. Love the cart that it has a place to hold on to the propane tank for you.
Very versatile from what I could see so far.
Mm-hmm.
And I plan to use it quite often.
Yep, good. Can't wait for Dad to make some pancakes.
I know, I can't wait for the pancakes either.
Yeah, I got the formula from you.
I'll say, yes, it was very easy to put together. Directions were good because I'll say one thing about directions nowadays, the pictures aren't good. And that's, for the most part, all you get is pictures. And then the wording definitely, but the directions on this was real good. It was very easy, very simple. Didn't take any time at all. Out of the box, you can, especially if you put it together a Blackstone before, out of the box, you can be seasoning it in less than an hour easily and be cooking on it in no time at all. But these BLTs, they bring back great memories as a kid when Dad would make them, especially when he'd make them and not let anybody else have them. He'd just make them for himself.
Well, that's the privilege of being older and the privilege of being Dad.
That is so true. I love the fact that it's got two shelves to it. You got a shelf on each side. Love that. Love the cover for it. It's very nice.
I love it being very sturdy.
Yes.
Yeah, and the color of it.
Color's
It's nice,
great, yeah.
you know, having something different. And
Yes, it's nice to have something different. The gunmetal, I love the color of it. It's very sharp. But yeah, I love it.
And this didn't come with it, but you see the magnet holders that we put on there, and those are nice, and those are really strong.
Yep, those are Blackstone. We got those at Walmart. And that's nice to have too. But I love the fact that did we say that about the propane?
Yeah.
So. But,
I'm looking forward to making some good memories with Mom and Dad.
yep, good memories with Mom and Dad. They're going to cook us some breakfasts. We're going to have breakfast on it tomorrow. Dad's going to make some pancakes one weekend when we're here. It's going to be good times, good times. But I tell you right now, I want to finish this BLT because it's smacking good, lady.
It is.
Smacking good, so.
Good job, Dad.
Good job.
And everything's better together.
Yes, it is. Everything's better together. That was good, Mom. Appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Well, it is a good sandwich.
Yeah.
Dad knows how to make them BLTs.